Sasu and Bahu are doing wives' day out.
Without husband.
Let's go. I am going to ask you a question. Life depends on it. Who is your favorite child? Your son or me?
Not possible. બેઉ જણા તમે મારા ફેવરિટ છો.
One answer only.
નો. એક રાઈટ આય છે અને એક લેફ્ટ આય છે. સો કેવી રીતે કહી શકાય?
Do you know which restaurant we are going? Let's leave it a surprise. I
Okay.
will directly take you there.
નાઈસ. ચલો. કેટલા ટાઈમથી મને જોઉં તું?
There you go.
Very confused.
We might just order everything.
Oh my god. And very hungry also. And one Thai iced tea.
Cheers. My absolute favorite. તમે જોઈ મેં એ ઇયરિંગ્સ પહેરી છે તમને આપી.
મારું પહેલા ધ્યાન હતું.
We almost lost track of time. Sorry, Mummy ji. Attack. So, Mummy ji, how was the date night with your favorite child?
10 on 10.
Yay! Good night.